Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the presentation of our newest product. So, you know all about broadcast productions. You don't really care if it's a sports production in a stadium, or a live concert, or a studio production. You've done it all so often. At the end of the day, they all have the same requirements. You have a location with various camera positions. And let's say a mobile or an OB truck outside. So, let's do the cabling for the video. Ooh, that's miles of cable. Okay, let's think about audio. That'll take the riggers a couple of days. Of course, nowadays we need LAN access everywhere, so let's put in some network cables. And as you all know, without communications, no production, so let's get the comms in place. Okay, so now we've got our cabling, but CCUs, mixing consoles, audio router, video router, switches, and all that. That's just the beginning. We still need all those downscalers, embedders, and de-embedders, and converters, and quad splits, all the outboard gear. Yeah, you know how it works. Almost looks like reality now, but reality could be easy and straightforward, like this. All in one box. And let me tell you, it's already here. The Riedel MediorNet does it all. Forget about all the various cabling infrastructures. Forget about all that outboard gear like downscalers, embedders, and de-embedders. Now it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. MediorNet provides a completely new approach to broadcast production philosophy. This little box is all about true integration. First of all, MediorNet is a fiber transport platform for all kinds of signals: multi-channel video and HD SDI, multi-channel audio, camera control data, Ethernet, intercom, anything you can imagine. It's all on one network, and therefore an open platform available to any manufacturer. And we're talking about a network here. It's not about limited point-to-point links, but I don't want to bother you here with network topologies because MediorNet doesn't really care if you set it up in a star, or a ring, or any combination. MediorNet provides the free choice. So let's just take this cloud as the MediorNet. We don't really need to worry what's in there. The intelligence of the system takes care of it. Anything you feed into the network via one of these MediorNet nodes can be taken out of any of the other MediorNet nodes. Not just at one place, at any place. This is way beyond simple transport. It's about routing and switching of all the signals within MediorNet in real time and uncompressed. Yes, you got it. MediorNet already includes video routing. Just imagine the possibilities. The MediorNet takes care that all signals reach the output node in real time. MediorNet operates with guaranteed bandwidth, always optimizing the use of all the network capacities available. I don't have to tell you about all the technical features like CWDM multiplexing, 3G signals and such. That's the job of MediorNet. The system takes care of its resources and optimizes the use of the available bandwidth. You really don't have to think about if MediorNet is routing the signal one way or the other. I told you to forget about the downscalers, embedders, de-embedders and such. Yes, that you don't need them anymore? Okay, that's because of the processing power within MediorNet. The MediorNet concept is not about dozens of different cards, all with different processing options. MediorNet cards are there only to interface to various signals. All signal processing and conversion is done on the processing card of each MediorNet frame. It has enough horsepower to provide features like downscaling, embedding or de-embedding, multi-viewing, conversion and such on board. The open architecture of MediorNet allows for future developments without any changes to the hardware. So look out for upcoming new features by Riedel and one of the third-party suppliers supporting the MediorNet standard. Just imagine this: a stadium or a studio. All signals distributed on one real-time production network, and a mobile or OB truck arriving at the stadium, also with MediorNet on board. So what happens now? It's just one single fiber link to tie the whole thing up. HD video, audio, data, intercom. And now we come to the best part about MediorNet. It's not a vision. It's a new production reality. Now.